Buying your first home can be a daunting task, and through this series on home ownership, Home Capital attempts to simplify this process for you. In this series, we will talk about the various factors you must keep in mind before you buy a house, the process that you can expect when buying the house, and finally, what are your responsibilities as a proud homeowner. In this episode, we will talk about refinancing of your home loan. There are a number of factors you must keep in mind before you think of refinancing your home loan. And in this episode, we will talk about what exactly is a loan swap and why do you have to consider it. We will talk about the factors you must consider before you decide to refinance your home loan. And finally, we will debunk various myths associated with home loan refinancing. What is a home loan swap? A loan swap, or switching a home loan, or a balance transfer, or simply what is referred to as a transfer, is a home loan being taken over by another lender by paying off the old lender in full, after which the borrower will start paying the EMIs to the new lender. So what happens here is, you as a borrower have an existing loan which you have taken from your old lender or the bank. In a loan swap or in a home refinance, this loan is paid completely by the new lender or the new bank to the old lender, after which there is no more money owed by you to the old lender as the loan has been taken over, and from now on you will start servicing the EMIs to the new lender. There are a number of reasons why you would want to do a home loan swap or a refinancing of your home loan. The first reason why you look at doing a home loan refinance is because your new banker is ready to give you a higher loan amount compared to your old banker. Or your new banker may be ready to allow you to switch from a fixed rate of interest to a floating rate of interest, or vice versa. It is possible that the new lender is ready to reduce the tenure of your loan, or otherwise reduce the EMI that you are paying on the loan to ease your cash flows. Finally, the new lender may just be offering better terms and conditions or better service, which may make it more attractive for you to leave your old bank or your old lender and move to your new lender. While these are the reasons why you would look at refinancing your loan, there are a number of situations in which you want to avoid doing a home loan refinance. The first one is if it does not make you financially better off. There is going to be a cost involved in doing a home loan refinance, and you incur this cost in anticipation of savings, and if you do not save enough as a result of this home loan refinance, you may want to avoid doing this finance in the first place. Second, if you are towards the end of your home loan term, it generally does not make any sense to do a refinance purely in terms of the cost involved and the benefits you can expect from doing a home loan refinance. Let's look at the benefits you would expect from doing a home loan refinance. The first one is you expect to get a lower interest rate from your new lender. So when you took a home loan, it's possible that you were having a not so good credit score, but over a period of 5-10 years after you serviced your loan on time, your credit score has improved, and it is possible that you are able to get a better interest rate from the new lender that you are approaching. This will result in you getting a rate which is lower than your existing rate, and which will result in lower EMIs, which would get converted into higher savings and higher investments for you as a individual. This can result in a higher disposable income in your hand, which you can use towards your future goals and actually grow your savings at a faster rate. The second benefit from a refinancing is the reduced interest rate. The second benefit of doing a refinancing is the reduced interest rates can help you clear off your home loan faster, help you build your equity in the home at a much faster rate, and with the home loan cleared off, you can actually look at retiring at a much earlier age, because you would no more have a fixed liability on your head in the form of a home loan EMI that you had to service on a regular basis. Summing up the episode, we talked about what exactly is a home loan refinance or what is a loan swap. We talked about the 4 factors you must keep in mind before you do a refinance. You need to look at the charges that you need to pay when you do a refinance. You need to look at your credit score to see if that will support you getting a lower interest rate. You need to look at the customer service of the new lender and also look at the overall financial impact of doing a refinance, whether you're financially better off compared to continuing with your old lender. We debunked the various myths associated with your home loan refinance and finally concluded with the various reasons why you would want to do a home loan refinance. The Home Capital community assists and guides you successfully through your journey of home ownership. Join India's first community of home buyers and homeowners and take your next step towards home ownership.